Dear children, let us continue with the same new topic, that is dividing a whole number by a fraction, right? Okay. And dividing fractions and whole number, right? Okay, how? 4 steps are there, right? And first step is write the whole number as a fraction. Whatever the whole number is in the question, you need to change it into what? That is fraction only, right? And step 2 is find the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, find the reciprocal of the divisor. After that, step 3 is multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Same like fraction multiplication only, right? After that, you need to simplify also. I will give you some problems, then you will understand. Okay, don't worry. See, 6 by 7 divided by 3. Okay, and first I need to do what? Find the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the reciprocal of the divisor? I show you that steps, right? See this. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. After that, you need to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor only, right? Okay, and how? The reciprocal of the divisor is what? 3. The reciprocal of 3 is what? 1 by 3 only. So, I need to multiply by 6 by 7 into reciprocal of the divisor. The reciprocal of 3 is what? 1 by 3. Shall I write it here? Reciprocal of 3 is what? 1 by 3. Okay, reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. After that, I need to multiply. 2 fractions only now, right? See, this type of question we had, that is division only, right? For the division, if you are getting the division problems in this fraction chapter, what you want to do? First, you need to take the reciprocal of the divisor. After that, you need to multiply only. Is it clear? For the division, you do it by this method only, right? And 6 by 7 into the reciprocal of the divisor is what? 1 by 3. And you need to multiply the numerator 6 into 1. And denominator is 7 into 3. Answer is what? 6 by 21. Is it clear? And 6 by 21 is here. You need to do one thing, that is, shall I cut it like that? 3 and 6, 2. And the balance is what? 2 into 1 divided by 7 into 1. Answer is what? 2 by 7. Then only it will become the lowest term only, right? Okay. And the question is, we need to divide and make it into lowest term also, right? Okay. And the next one is 4 by 5 divided by 12. Okay. Which one is the divisor here? 12. I need to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Reciprocal of the divisor is what? 12. Reciprocal of 12 is what? 1 by 12. Okay. And after that, I need to multiply only 4 by 5 into reciprocal, that is 1 by 12. What is that? 4 into 1 is the numerator. 5 into 12 is the denominator. Shall I cut? 4 3s are 12. Then balance is 1 into 1, 5 into 3. 1 by 15. Shall I write it? The reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. Shall I? The reciprocal of 12 is what? Reciprocal of 12 is what? 1 by 12. Okay. Reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. That's why fraction will become what only? 4 by 5 into 1 by 12. Okay. And the answer is what? 1 by 15. The next one. 6 by 7 into 5. First you need to think what's the reciprocal of the 5. That is 1 by 5. After that, I need to multiply the fraction by 1 by 5. Okay. Then any numbers, common factors, right? No need to cut. So, we need to multiply and write only, right? 6 1s are 6 divided by 7 5s are 35. It is in the lowest term itself. Okay. And Next one is 1 by 2 divided by 7 means what? We need to multiply by the reciprocal of 7. That is 1 by 7. That is 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 7. 1 by 14. Is it clear? And the next two are homeworks, right? Okay. And this also homework. 2 by 5 divided by 2. How? 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. You will get the answer. 3 by 7 into 1 by 21. That I will do. That I will do it in the class. 3 by 7 into 1 by 21. The reciprocal of 21 is 1 by 21. So, I need to multiply by 1 by 21. Okay. Then, I can cancel 3 and 21. 3 7s are 21. Balance is 1 into 1 divided by 7 into 7. That is 1 by 49. Is it clear? Okay. And the next. 4 by 5 divided by 10. 4 by 5 into reciprocal of 10 is what? 1 by 10. And 4 and 10 we can divide by 2. You need to cut it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Then after balance is 2 1s are 2. And 5 into 5. That is 2 by 25. Is it? Otherwise you need to multiply. You will get what? 4 by 50 only. Again we need to make it in the lowest term, 4 by 50. We need to find the HCF of 4 and 50. After that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. Then only you will get the lowest term. Then this one is easy for you, right? Yeah. We can cut 4 by 2 and 10 also by 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then answer is what? 2 by 25. 1 by 6 into the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 18. Thank you, children.